So, a couple months ago we have recorded a video about Threadripper power machine, but after that we use this static from the rig, from the mining rig, because the machine was with the graphics were overheating, so we use these additional fans and this electronic board for additional cooling of the graphic cards. So until now the machine was working fine. As you can see, we used razors for lifting up the graphics and separating them one from another. As you can see now, they have additional space to better airflow. So what we're gonna do now is gonna upgrade this machine that we use for AI. Now we have one power supply from 1600 watts. Now we're gonna have two power supplies. Before we were prepared to use this kind, some people that use two power supplies are use mining and familiar with mining know this tool, but now we're gonna use this one, some more newer method. When turning one machine to turn the both. So this is our new motherboard now that supports up to 8 graphic cards. So we have some additional graphic cards we're gonna add. Use the same razors. We're gonna transfer the same RAM, the same hard drives. This is SSD drives from the old machine to this one. So this motherboard is Gigabyte WRX80, more powerful Threadripper processor. So now with total 7 graphic cards, we're gonna have more than 152 gigabytes of VRAM. So we're gonna power up our open cloud model that we're gonna use for AI. So we're gonna proceed with disassembling the old machine and proceed with the new. So this is after all the work has been done. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 graphic cards. The motherboard is in place. 2 1600 watts power supplies. So this power supply is our main supply, and after that we use this tool. So when the main power supply turn on, the secondary power supply get impulse and get started and provide power for these 3 graphic cards. So 1, 2, 3. The main board in these 4 graphic cards are getting supply from this one. We also use NVLink from NVIDIA. That's why these 2 graphic cards are so close to each other. We try to separate them a little bit with this tool, and that's why we add these additional fans, so maybe it will help provide a little bit more airflow. So now the turn is next it's gonna turn and install Linux and see what's happening. So if anyone has an additional recommendation or experience with private model AI models, so please reach to us so we can share some experience. Thanks for watching.